Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to discuss about composite function. Okay, alright. Let's say I give you f x equals to 2x plus 3, and I give you g x equals to x squared minus 1. Okay, so composite function means is a combination of two or more function. Let's say here you get f function and g function. Now let's say we discuss how to find the first one. Okay, f and g x. Okay, how you want to start? Okay, always start from the back. Okay, let's say, so here, okay, what is your g function? Your g function is x squared minus 1. Okay, so you put here, so this is our new x. So this is your new x. You substitute inside the f function. Okay, so what is our f function? 2x, right? So 2, our x, you copy this one, x squared minus 1 plus 3. See, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. This is our new x. You substitute inside f function. Alright, so you will get here is, okay, you expand. You know how to expand, right? Okay, the first one is 2x squared. Alright, so the next one, so 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Alright, so plus 3. Okay, how to do it now? Alright, so 2x squared, so negative 2 plus 3, so positive 1. So therefore your fg x is 2x squared plus 1. Alright, so how about I give you g f x. Okay, so always start from the last one. Okay, so your f function, so your f function is 2x plus 3. So you put here 2x plus 3. Alright, so this is your new x. Okay, you want to substitute inside the g function, this one. Alright, so g function is x squared minus 1. So our x here, no, our x now is 2x. So 2x plus 3 square. See, same, right? X square minus 1. Alright, now I want to expand this one. Okay, alright, so first step, 2 power of 2 means 4. Alright, so x square, right? So now in the middle here, okay, you have to multiply 2 times 2x, you will get 4x. 4x you multiply with plus 3, so you got 12x. Alright, now 3 power of 2 equals to 9. Alright, minus 1. Okay, so we got here 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 minus 1, 8. So this is our g f x. Alright, do you understand? Okay, let's try different question. Okay, try one more. Same function f and g, but we do one more. Alright, so one more. Let's say I put here f x. Alright, so same thing also, you start from the back. Okay, your f function is 2x plus 3, so you put f first. Your f function is 2x plus 3. So this is our new x. Okay, so now we put again 2x plus 3, so 2. But what is our x now? This one. Alright, so 2x plus 3 plus 3. See, 2x plus 3 plus 3. So same, right? Now we have to expand. Right, 2. So you will get here 4x. Alright, now the next one, 2 multiply with positive 3. So you will get here plus 6 plus 3. And now we can get 4x plus 9. Alright? So this is our f x. Okay? Alright. We try one more question. Okay, let's say I give you gx. Okay, our gx equals to 3x. Alright, so our fx equals to x plus 7. Alright, so now how to do it? G f x. Okay, so start from the back. Okay, so take the f function. Our f function is x minus 7. Right, so now this is our new x. Okay, so g function is 3x, so 3x minus 7. Okay, now we have to expand. Alright, so 3 times x, 3x, 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So this is our gfx. Alright, okay, how about we take the next one? Okay, this is the first example, and this one the next one. Alright, let's say I put here is fgx. Okay, we start from the back also. Okay, so you put here f. What is your g function? G function is 3x. Okay, so this is our new x. Now your f function is x minus 7. Okay, our new x, it's this one. So you put here 3x minus 7, right? So x minus 7. So we got here is 3x minus 7. So this is our fgx. Alright? Okay, let's see one more. Okay, same function but different question. How about I give you gx. Okay, so we put g first. So start from the back. Okay, so your g is 3x. Okay, now our g function is 3x, correct? Okay, put 3 first. 3 And our x now is this one. So put here 3x. So we expand. 3 and 3 is 9x. So your g x is 9x. Or you can also put g square x. It's the same also. Alright? Okay, one more. Okay, the next one. This is number 3 and this is number 4. Alright, so let's say I put here is a f square x. Alright, so now f square x equals to f x. It's the same. Alright, so okay, we start here now. So we put f first. So our f, we start from here, right? Same. Okay, so our f function is this one, right? So you put here x minus 7. Alright, so now this is our new x. Okay, we want to substitute inside the f. So now our f is what? X minus 7. So we put x minus 7. So this is our x, new x, yeah? Minus 7. Alright? So x minus 7 minus 7. So your x now will be negative 7. Negative 7 is negative 14. So this is your f square x function. Alright? Okay, one more I want to give you. Alright, different question. Let's say I give you h x equals to 3x plus 5. Alright, and your g x equals to 3x minus 1. Okay, so how to do the hgx function? Okay, we start from the back also. Okay, put your h. Now your g function is 3x minus 1. So this is our new x. Okay, so what is our h function? H function is 3x. Okay, remember 3. So x, right? Okay, x, you put 3x minus 1. See? Now 3x plus 5 plus 5. Alright, so now we have to expand. Okay, 3 times 3x we got here is 9x. 3 times negative 1 we got here 3, negative 3, and plus 5. Now we got here is 9x, negative 3 plus 5 we got here is plus 2. So this is our hgx function. Okay, so one more. Okay, let's say I give you g h x function. Okay, so we start from the back. So start with the h function. So our h function, okay, h function is 3x plus 5. Okay, now this is our new x. Your g function is 3x minus 1. So you put here 3x, you copy this one, 3x plus 5. See? Okay, so I put here. Okay, so 3x minus 1. Same, right? So 3x minus 1, minus 1. Okay, now we expand. 3 times 3, 9x. So 3 times positive 5, we got here is a 15. minus 1. Then you will get here is 9x plus 14. So this is your g h x. Okay. Alright, now one more question. How if I give you g square x? Alright, so g square means is a g x. Okay, so we start from the back here. So your g function is 3x minus 1. Okay, we put inside 3x minus 1. Okay, so now this is our new x, remember? So g, 3x, okay, we put here 3. Okay, our x, we replace new x, okay? So 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1. Minus 1. So now, see? 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. Now we expand, we can get here 9x negative 3 negative 1. Then we can get 9x minus 4. Alright? Okay, so this is our gx function. Alright? Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you for the next video. And don't forget to subscribe